Wait, renegade. Okay, ready, go.
We are going fishing today, but of course we had to stop and get some coffee.
Yes, we did.
Mostly to keep Paige happy enough to agree to come fishing with me.
For hours. Yep.
So we are also going to go to a lake that is stocked full of brown and rainbow trout to try to catch some trout. Stay tuned.
He's cutesy.
Nice. How'd you get that to happen?
I don't know. He just won't leave me alone.
Take your hood off.
Oh.
I don't think they're gonna. That was horrible. I'm being honest, and I love you. That was the worst cast I've ever seen in my life. Yep. Get him. Got him? Fish on. No, that's a keeper. That's a keeper. We got a keeper. Can we turn off the music, please? Because I don't like it. What do you mean, what do I mean? What do you mean? Paige, you're there. You're there. You're there. Grab the pink rod. They're right in front of the boat. I got one. Fish on. Let's go. Look at that. Nice little brownie. On the jerk bait. Fish on. Hey. Who looks happier? The bass or Paige? The bass. Rock bass. Monster rock bass. Ah, ah. Are you freaking serious? Did you see that? Where's my rod? The trout are right here. Oh, they're up here. Ready? Oh, they're up there. Paige, come up here and cast. There's a bunch of them. Fish on. Another brown. Hey, buddy. Oh my gosh, there's a million. You're one in a million, babe. Body break. Hey, hurry up. Let's go.
Oh, yep. Look, how do you not like so bad? I just have a weird feeling I'm gonna catch something on this one.
I'll make one more.
Oh, hold on. Alabama diggy. Here you go, bud. I'm gonna break this.
Bummer.
Yeah. Oh, back here. Okay. All right.